Hi everyone, it's Gemma here from Preston Baker. Thanks very much for watching today as we welcome a new property to the market. I'm currently sat in 23 Buckingham Street. It's a beautifully presented 3-bedroom mid-terrace in York city centre. So the property is currently used as a holiday let, but equally could be used for somebody that lives out of the area that needs a bolt home in York, or a homeowner that's looking to live within the hustle and bustle of York city centre. So when I asked the current homeowner why she initially bought this property, she said it actually wasn't something that you could see, but more of a feeling. As you can see now, I'm standing in the front room and it really is an inviting space, really warm and incredibly cosy. The property has so much character and benefits from the original sash windows, a beautiful surround with gas fireplace and a private rear courtyard. So I'm currently standing in the dining room, which is perfect for entertaining. We also have the beautiful original cupboards. And if you follow me through, one of the huge benefits to this property is the understair storage. Now it's currently used as a utility area and also houses the brand new ideal combi boiler. Leading through from the dining room, I'm now in the kitchen. It's again beautifully presented and newly fitted. It has the addition of an electric oven and hob, stunning views onto the courtyard, and there's extra storage here for a dishwasher or a fridge freezer. I'm currently standing in the master bedroom and wow, what an impressive room. It's absolutely beautiful. We also have the addition of some stunning storage and the original fireplace. You can see it's a really light and airy room. This is one of my favourite rooms in the house, the loft room, the 3rd bedroom. It's an impressive size, again really light and airy, and has stunning views over York city centre and the York Minster. You can't get a better location than this. You are right in the city centre. It boasts a wealth of amenities from bars, clubs, restaurants, also the tourist attractions such as the York Minster, the York Dungeons, the Grand Opera House. You really are in the heart of York city centre with this location. The property is beautifully furnished throughout, and if you are interested, the current owner is open to negotiation to include some of the beautiful furnishings here on offer into the sale. I hope you've enjoyed walking around this stunning house with me. If you like what you see, act quickly to avoid disappointment. Contact our York branch now to arrange a viewing.